Uh, my mother is team Starbucks and I'm team Dunkin' Donuts. Like I hear my mom just landed. She's down visiting, and I hear her go, "Dunkin' Donuts is dirty dishwater," and I'm like, "Yeah, but I don't have to work for Dunkin' Donuts. I can go to Dunkin' Donuts. They're gonna put the milk and sugar in my cup of coffee. I don't have this refined palate, and I don't speak Italian." And my mother is as mentioned, team Starbucks. So it's not that one coffee's better, it's got to be a good fit. And I think the construction business is a lot like the restaurant business, and especially when it comes to level of finishes. We say all the time, if you're complaining that the asparagus was $15, it's not the restaurant's fault. You're just in the wrong restaurant.
Right. Right.
If you're offended by flipping through the wine list and you see a $1,500 bottle of wine, if you're offended, you're just in the wrong restaurant.
Right.
It's not the restaurant's fault. Then if somebody wants to spend $1,500 a bottle of wine, like, great. It's got to be a good match. And I think in the construction business, a lot of the problems I see is, everybody wants to eat at the nice restaurant, especially now because it's very hard to get people to do the work. So you have contractors that are, 3-star contractors saying, yeah, I can do 4-star work or 5-star work. No, you can't. I mean, you have to it's a whole language to speak. We've gone into jobs and we're on the punch list and there's 50 Post-it notes on the wall. Okay, we got to go through the 50 Post-it notes. You're not offending the chef because you have Post-it notes on the wall. So it's how you look at it. And the job that we're working on right now, there's just a big divergence. You have 4 or 5-star clients and a 2 to 3-star contractor. Shame on both of them for not realize there was a mismatch in the beginning. Yeah. So you have to really dig in to make sure that the level of finish, the level of service that you want, your contractor can deliver.
Yeah, I think it's and a lot of that is the details and the fine work. Because a builder will have you walk into, let's say, a model home, and you're sort of caught by how it's decorated, and you're probably not looking real close at the seams, and and you're just sort of you're taken by the feel of it as opposed to the details. And I think a lot of how people sort of go into making decisions is kind of just how they're made to feel by the person they're talking to or what they're being fed. And it really blinds them to the details and that kind of thing. And so and that's usually now when it comes to their own house and it's being built, you're looking at the details and you're seeing it being all put together, and you have an opportunity to see some of the lines and before it's decorated and covered, and it's it ends up shocking you because you have a certain expectation or that the quality was going to be delivered a certain way, and it's not. And it's just and again it comes down to the it's got to be a match. The people, it's got to be a match. It's got to be a match.